We have interrupted our TV programming for an emergency announcement. During a game between Manchester City and Manchester United, there was a massacre at the stadium. The suspect is a Norwegian male who is 7 feet tall and has a Manchester City jersey with the name Haaland in the back with the number 9 and has blonde hair with a ponytail and Manchester City shorts. If you see the suspect, call 999. The game has been cancelled. Don't go to Etihad Stadium until the suspect leaves. Stay tuned for more information. We are now returning to regular programming. We have interrupted our TV programming for an emergency announcement. The suspect that I was talking about just left the stadium and then killed 15 people and 4 players. The players that we lost is Mason Mount, Johnny Evans, Oscar Bob, and Jeremy Doku. Rest in peace to those players that lost their lives in this situation. From now on, everyone in the city of Manchester should stay indoors and lock their doors and windows during this situation. If you hear a knock at your door, do not answer it, including if it's a friend or a family member for now. And the suspect was confirmed that the suspect is Erling Haaland himself. If you see Haaland, don't go near him and call 999. Telephones lines are kept only for emergencies. We will return regular programming. We have interrupted your TV programming for an emergency update. Erling Haaland has left the city of Manchester by using his rocket cleats. We do not know where did he went or where he is going. It is now safe for you to leave your home. We are now returning regular programming.
The following message has been transmitted by the Philadelphia Police Department. We got many reports of a guy who is a Norwegian male who is 7 feet and has a Manchester City jersey with the number 9 and has the name Haaland in the back with Manchester City shorts and with a blonde ponytail. If you see this man, call 911 and don't go near it. Stay tuned for more updates about this situation. The following message has been transmitted by the Philadelphia Police Department. The suspect was confirmed that the suspect's name is Erling Haaland. Haaland just killed 200 people in the city of Philadelphia. Right now all citizens must stay indoors and lock their doors, and don't open the door if it's knocked, even if there's a family member or a friend for your safety. If you see Erling Haaland, call 911. All phone lines should be kept for emergencies only. Please stay tuned for more upcoming information. The following message has been transmitted by the Emergency Federal Management Agency. Haaland was too powerful for the police, and he killed 49 police officers and injured 100. All citizens of Philadelphia must find shelter. Haaland uses his machine weapons to kill his victim. He might use his own hand to rip his victim's joined arms. This is not a
Please stand by for the message from the United States government.
This message has been transmitted by the United States government. Haaland is on a rampage which he killed thousands of people in the city of Philadelphia. Citizens must find a fallout shelter, because we have no other choice but to use missiles during the attack. If you live in the city of Philadelphia, find shelter now, as we are launching the missiles. Citizens of Philadelphia must bring food, water, and a radio for information about this situation. The location is in Lincoln Financial Field. All citizens go to the Lincoln Financial Field and bring the listed items.
This is an emergency alert. Inbound nuclear missiles have been detected. You have approximately 4 minutes to find shelter. Communications have been severely disrupted. The number of casualties and the extent of the damage are not yet known. Stay tuned to this channel, stay calm, and stay indoors. This is not a test. This is not a test. This is not a test. Three-minute warning. Two-minute warning. One-minute warning. Thirty seconds. Fifteen seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds.
This message has been transmitted by the request of the United States government. The missiles have worked. Erling Haaland is dead. All citizens of Philadelphia can leave the stadium. If you stayed home, it's safe for you to leave your home. Also, Haaland was originally come from the city Manchester, also killing civilians and 4 players, then he flew to America by using his rocket cleats. We are now returning to regular TV programming.